Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can earn money by starting a YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to create an email account. For that, just you can type create Gmail account. Scroll down and here you can find Google accounts. Just you can go here and after that just you see this option add account. Then after that click here create account. You can select from for personal use, for child, for business. So let's select personal use, and after that here you can give first name, last name, and then you can add next. Then after that, within few simple steps, you can easily create a new email account. After that, just open YouTube. Here you can see this is official website youtube.com. Just go here and on the right side you will see options. Click here and after that YouTube Studio. Then here you can see I got option to create a new channel. Just you can simply add a picture if you want to add, and after that simply click here create channel. So now we have created a new YouTube channel. Then simply next step is to create a content. So you can start creating content and you can use various video editors to edit your content. For example, you can start vlogging, as well as if you have some technical knowledge you can create tech videos, and after that you can simply go here then upload videos. Simply you can select any of the video from your laptop. So let me do for a sample video. Okay, I have selected a video. Then you will get options. For example, you can add here title, then description, then scroll down. You will get some other options. For example, here you can see you can create content for kids as well as for others. Then you can also apply some filters, for example age restriction, as well as you can also go to the channel settings and here you can see some options. You can select the currency, as well as you can add basic info, for example country, keywords, as well as here you can see advanced settings, then feature eligibility. Here you can see these are some features that you will be able to use. Then after that you can select default language, then some other options. After that, how you will earn money from your YouTube channel. Just you can go here earn option, scroll down, and here you can see these are called watch hours and short views, and above that here you can see subscribers. So you need to complete 1000, watch time 4000 hours. So these are the requirements. After that you will be able to connect your YouTube channel with Google AdSense. Then simply you will search for Google AdSense, and here you can see. After that you will sign in this account, and here will be option to connect AdSense account with YouTube channel. Then after uploading videos you can start marketing your videos so that you will get more views. So this is how easily you can earn money from YouTube channel. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.